In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force quit Safari on iPhone. If Safari is frozen, not responding, or just not behaving the way it should, force quitting the app can help you close it completely and start fresh. This is a simple process, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. One important thing to keep in mind before we begin is that Apple recommends force quitting apps only when they're actually stuck or unresponsive. Doing this regularly does not improve battery life or make your iPhone run faster, so it's best used as a troubleshooting step rather than a habit. To get started, you'll need to open the app switcher on your iPhone. The way you do this depends on which iPhone model you have. If your iPhone uses Face ID and does not have a home button, place your finger at the bottom edge of the screen, swipe up, and then pause in the middle of the screen for a moment. This will open the app switcher, where you can see previews of your recently used apps. If your iPhone has a home button, the process is even simpler. Just double-click the home button and the app switcher will appear. Once you're in the app switcher, you'll see a series of app previews. Swipe left or right through the apps until you find Safari. Take your time here, especially if you have several apps open, because each app will appear as its own preview card. When Safari is visible on the screen, place your finger on the Safari preview and swipe it upward. This action removes Safari from the app switcher and force quits the app. In other words, you're closing it completely instead of just leaving it running in the background. After Safari has been closed, you can reopen it normally. To do that, return to your home screen or go to your app library, then tap the Safari icon. The app will launch again, and in many cases, this can resolve temporary glitches, freezing, or loading issues. If Safari continues to have problems even after you reopen it, you may need to look into other fixes later. But force quitting is a good first step when the app becomes unresponsive, and that's how to force quit Safari on iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.